These are the now modernized elevator. Well, I guess they're both elevator one, but I think that one's elevator one, that one's elevator two, at UPMC Washington in Washington, Pennsylvania. These were originally 1920s Otis elevators. They got a mod in probably the 60s with Otis block buttons, but now they have Schindler 6400 mod with matte BS moon. I think they're on the same controller now. You know, this one was modded like pre-COVID. That one was modded post-COVID, I think. And two, here we go down. I think two is just a staff area. I think these are mainly service elevators. They're slow.
Floor 2.
Six. Here we go. I got the shaft too. Look at that. It's pretty neat. Car top lights on.
Floor 6.
6. Back down 3. So basically done stainless steel cabs. They usually have the old Otis cabs with a slightly lower ceiling and had the tray lighting in the middle. But they have now been completely modernized and that is no longer the case. See there, you can see up the shaft or the fan vent.
Floor 3.
There, 3. Floor 3. Yeah, colors, and that's going to be it.